This is Richard Gomes. We're in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're talking about hard drive basics. I'm going to show you right now how to format your hard drive. This disk, which comes with your system, or you can order it online from your manufacturer, is called a Restore CD, and it contains your operating system as well as programs that will allow you to install it on your hard drive. If you buy a new hard drive and you need to format that drive and prepare it to put on the operating system, or if you want to reformat your old hard drive, you will need to use this disk, put it in your CD or DVD ROM drive, boot from it, and then go through the menus and format and install the operating system back on that drive. Okay, we put the disk in, we booted from the CD, and now it has brought us up to this menu. If we want to set up the Windows XP operating system, format the drive and set up the operating system, we hit the Enter key. Okay, hit F8 to agree with the license agreement. In order to install a fresh copy of Windows XP, we now will press the Escape key. This page has come up to the partition page, and the entire drive in this case has been partitioned into one partition, so we want to delete that, which is the formatting. It'll format the drive and clear off everything that's on it, and then we'll be ready to load the new operating system. So we press D, and that will allow us to delete the system partition. And to delete this partition, press L. So now we've removed that partition, and we want to go ahead and create a new partition and load the Windows XP operating system. Now we can press the Enter key to install the Windows XP operating system. See, it automatically created the partition, and it's getting ready to install the Windows XP operating system. First of all, it has to create the file system on the drive, and we're going to use the quick method. So right now it is actually formatting the drive. It's removing everything that was on the drive and getting ready to create a new file system on that drive. Now it's beginning to copy files from the XP operating system from the hard drive, from the CD onto the hard drive.